Now you can gang as many of these as you want together. All you have to do is beef up your electrical system. And they can be turned vertically. There's an indexable bushing in here that allows it to index to the right way to turn it vertically so it can be on cabinet doors and other things like that. Now, this is the original box locks. We can modify it for special custom applications, but the design will stay the same. It's just the size and the shape. Push down on them 2 times, or for 2 seconds, they start flashing. Now they're in proximity mode. That whenever you're going in and out of the area, it'll be locking the box and unlocking the box for you. Now we want to go back to manual, say. We hold it 2 seconds till that light goes out. Now we're back to manual. So now you can do it manually. So 2 chirps and no light, that means we're open. We get the chirp, we get the light, we know we're locked.
Fill that out. There it is. Now, exactly where it needs to be. So, that now flashing test is in open position. Here again. Flashing slow, that is closed. Lock. 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 That is